Shh, don't wake up the neighbours. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It's just after 5 a.m. this morning. We are heading out with some of the crew from the SwiftSpeed Club. A couple of other cars. We're going to do a couple of mountain passes this morning, just go for a bit of a breakfast run, and hopefully, if all works out, we're going to stop off at our favourite little coffee shop in Franschhoek again. They've got a new coffee on the market, birthday cake flavour, so we're going to go check that out. Hey Bear.
Hello.
Bear is still half asleep. she hasn't had her morning coffee.
Yeah.
See you on the flip side. So we've made it through the first mountain pass, the Kloof Pass. We're heading through the beautiful wine valley of Rawsonville now, and I got to admit, driving through those mountain passes is second to none. It's been a while since I've been adventurous like that, but super fun. Lindy was enjoying the views as well. So next stop is now to another little mountain pass between Rawsonville and Franschhoek, and then time for some more fun. Welcome to the little town of Rawsonville. And just like that, we are back at Kloof Dam. For those of you that have been around for a while, you remember that we were here a couple of months ago, where the water was a lot lower, and you can see that it's risen up very nicely now. Makes for an awesome trip. We've enjoyed the mountain passes so far. This is the last pass that we're going through. It's Franschhoek Pass. It's one of the best driving roads in the Western Cape as well. So we are going to head down to that now. We are going to take some drone footage. So shoot over to the drone footage in 3, 2, 1. okay?
Your wife is holding a safety belt for dear life.
It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. We've made it to the top of Franschhoek Pass. I don't know if Lindy's showing you the view, but she'll show you in a moment. It is unbelievable, and with the cloud cover coming in, you've got the view of Franschhoek Pass and of the whole of Franschhoek out towards Cape Town, and just a little bit of inside info. That spot just up there was where I dirtied my knee and I went down and proposed to my wife. And that's a wrap from us today. We're going to end off this video right here. We have had some breakfast. We are now heading to the next stop. But this is where we're going to end it. Thanks for joining us. We hope that you enjoyed seeing some of Cape Town. A little bit different to normal, but it's a part that we absolutely love. So make sure that you subscribe if you want to follow us on our journeys. Have an awesome day.